Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a really quick Q&A, and this question is from my friend Michelle. She has been a friend of mine for a long time, and she also has worked in the beauty industry, but she does have some really great questions every once in a while for me. The question today is, can women over 40 wear trendy eyeshadow, specifically shimmery eyeshadow? So to get into that, let's talk about eyeshadow textures. There's matte, there's sheen, there's shimmer, and then there's glitter or a diamond finish, right? That is really, really glittery. So it really depends on which of those textures you choose. If you use all matte, that can look really dry. If you do only matte, if you do all shimmer or glitter, that can really overemphasize things around the eyes that we don't really want to draw attention to. So your best bet is to use a variety of textures if you're going to do any kind of shimmer. And I would say stay with either the shimmer or the sheen textures. Sheen is really good because it only reflects a little bit of light and it doesn't overemphasize texture around the eyes. It doesn't overemphasize crepiness or little fine lines around the outside. So that would be probably the best texture to use. However, right now, a lot of young people are wearing glitter all over their eyes. And somehow I associate glitter with little children. So I tend to really avoid that for the most part. And the trend now is really going much more toward color. For spring 2019, fall 2019, the trend is much more color, not so much glitter. So I wanted to do this video when I'm using some fairly bright color. You can absolutely wear bright color when you're a little bit older. I do tend to keep it to a matte texture so that I don't have too many things going on at once. And when you do a brighter eye like this, I tend to keep the rest of the face either monochromatic, so the lip color matches the eye color so that it's varying shades of all one color, or I keep the rest of the face really nude, especially if it's a very bright color. If you have deeper skin tones, bright yellow is a beautiful color to use on the eyes. I would avoid that if you have a pale skin tone like mine. Jewel tones are much better on pale skin tones. Or you can use things like khaki. Olive green is really, really great on some people. Bright orange is really great on most people. Pale skin tones can wear it, dark skin tones can wear it, and everything in between. So try a little bit of bright color on the eyes in a matte finish to do more of a trendy eye and see how that works for you. You can always add a little bit of a sheen or a shimmer right on the lid. Keep it right to the lid space of the eye. Try not to take it up into the crease or up in here, and especially in the outer corner of the eye, so that you don't emphasize crepiness or fine lines. So I hope that helps. Subscribe to my channel and post your comments below and post any questions that you might have. And please follow my blog at silverbeautylife.com and on Instagram at silverbeautylife. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys have a really great day. See you next video.